Good afternoon once again everyone. So today we are going to see about the digit sum concept. Digit sum, maybe you have heard about it, but when you are going to appear for competitive exams or if you are going to appear for aptitude placements also, वहाँ पे एक arithmetic sum आता है. उसमें we don't actually perform the operation, but we do it through tricks and techniques, right? So that I am going to show you today. So I'll just share my screen with you. Digit sum, last digit and last two digit concept. These are the terms we use to solve such kind of problems. Now first of all, let's see what digit sum is all about. What is digit sum? Digit sum is nothing but the sum of the digits of the number. So if you have number 52, right? The digit sum will be sum of these digits, it will be 7. And digit sum is always single digit. So if you have 567 as a number, so what do? You add all the digits. So what you get? 5 plus 6, 11 plus 7, 18. You have to again add this sum if it is two digit number, and the sum you are getting is 9. So digit sum में हमेशा sum equals to a single digit. Okay, you can do it in different way as well. Either you can add all the digits and at the end you can add these numbers, or 5 plus 6, 11, you can add this 11, 1, 1 here itself, so it will be 2, then remaining number you add with this 2, 7, so you will end up in the same answer. So digit sum, how to calculate, that I am showing you. So if you have any random number, you can get its digit sum by adding the numbers. So 7 plus 2, 9 plus 5, 14, so it will be 5. This is how you add and derive the digit sum of the numbers. And digit sum will be always from 0 to 9. Okay? Digit sum cannot be of two digit, it is the single number. Again, for digit sum, whenever we are having the number 9 or 0, in digit sum concept, the numbers 9 and 0 have equal values. So when you are getting anything like a digit sum 9, so when you are going to perform arithmetic operation, you can replace it with 0 or you can replace it with 9. So if a number we are using in a arithmetic operation and if you are getting digit sum as 9, it is as good as its sum is 0. So practically speaking, sum cannot be 0. हम जब भी बोलते हैं sum मतलब किसी की total, it can never be 0. But whenever we are having such questions, like if you have arithmetic operation to perform like this, in aptitude you are not allowed to use calculator and you will be given answers in options, right? So based on this digit sum concept, we will be able to solve this. Now यहाँ पे digit sum, if we put 0, the entire multiplication will become 0. So our answer, right answer will be 0. This is how we use digit sum concept, last digit and last two digit. So one by one I will try to explain you with the help of my slides. So I will just share one by one slide with you. First, I have shown you how to calculate digit sum. Few more examples we have here. So 2 and 3 digit sum will be 5. When there is single digit sum, you don't need to worry. 1, 6, 5, the digit sum will be 3. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 plus 2, 3. So you have to derive the sum till you get a single digit answer. Okay. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. We have digit sum 7 plus 2 plus 1. Then 10, 10 ka again 1 plus 0 you have to do, the digit sum will be 1. 8, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4. Now I have told you that digit sum of 9 is as good as 0. Right? So first, to help you out, we can do it here as well. When you have a bigger number, right? So if we have this bigger number here, So to find the digit sum, how to do it quickly? जैसे हम क्या करेंगे, 5 plus 6 11, so 1 plus 1 2, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11 again, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6. So by doing plus plus all the digits, we are getting digit sum as 6. Whenever we can do it more quickly, how? You have to figure out the numbers which are summing up to 9 or 0. Obviously numbers cannot be sum up to 0, so we have to see the numbers which are summing up to 9, right? So we know 7 plus 2 9, so we can directly discard these numbers. We don't need to consider numbers which are summing up to 9 or 0. Then 6 plus 3 is also 9, so we can discard these numbers as well. So जो remaining numbers है, that we can add and we will get the same answer. Are you people there with me? Are you understanding? Okay, thank you. Okay, so we have seen, I have shown you that कितना भी बड़ा number हो, how do you find the digit sum? We do, या तो आप हर एक digit को आपस में add करो, you will get the same answer. Or the fastest, more faster, if you want to go, you have to first discard the numbers which are summing up to 9, and then remaining numbers you can add, you will get the same answer. Alright, so moving back to slide. 4, 3, 2, 1, we have seen 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10, so 1 plus 0, 1. Now this is the bigger number, but still we can do it one by one. 8 plus 3, 11, 1 plus 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 5, 0, 1, 5, so it will be 5. Or you can discard 5 and 4 because they are summing up to 9. You can discard 8 and 1, they are summing up to 9. So remaining digits 3 and 2 you can add, you will have the same answer.
Ma'am,
yes?
It is not compulsory that the number will be in the series if they are summed to the 9.
In the series in the sense?
Ma'am, जैसे 8 और 3, if 8 or 1, ma'am, they are not in series, so ma'am, it is okay.
Yeah, it is okay. Any number, if they are any combination of number, not even two numbers, even three numbers together are summing up to 9, you can discard them. And not necessarily they are all are together. एक यहाँ एक unit digit में है, एक tens digit में, एक thousands में है, it's okay. But you have to see which numbers are summing up to 9. Now for here, you can see 9 itself, so we will first discard it. 8 and 1 we will discard it. 7 and 2 we will discard. 5 and 4 we will discard. Again 6 and 3 we will discard. So basically the sum will be 9 or 0. Means all numbers have gone. So we can say the sum is 0, but technically speaking sum or total cannot be 0, right? But we can use any of these digits and we can replace it with any of these digits. The number can be replaced by 0 or 9, whatever operation we are going to perform. If it is plus, we will replace with 0. If it is into, we will replace with 0. So 0 and 9 have equal values when it comes to digit sum concept. Then 5, 4, 6, 8, 7, 9, 5 and 4 are summing up to 9, 8 and 1 are summing up to 9. So बचे हुए क्या है 6 and 7, which is summing up to 13. So 1 and 3 again 4. 3, 1, 6, 2, 3. Right? So this is how you calculate digit sum. अब digit sum clear है how to calculate? Then we will go one by one with the problem solving. Okay, so next slide I will show you. So problem solving technique में you will be asked to find the number at the question mark. So obviously you don't have calculator when you are appearing for aptitude, then you will have to use this digit sum concept. So what we do here, first we will see and we will replace the numbers with digit sum. So first number 2172 summing up to 3, digit sum I am talking about, okay. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 7 10, uska digit sum है 1, 1 plus 2 3. Then 1832, 956, 514. सबका digit sum हमने ले लिया. Now we will replace all these numbers with their digit sum in the problem. So question mark का digit sum we don't know, so we have replaced it with x, and rest of the numbers we have replaced with their digit sums. So you can get the equation as 3 by x is equal to 2, right? Now in aptitude you have the answers available with you, options are there, right? Or you can say x is equal to 3 by 2. So you have the options ready with you. Now you have to see which numbers from the options can get the value of x, right? मतलब x का जो नंबर है, x की जगह आएगा वो नंबर है, बट 3 and 2 आर द डिजिट सम्स, राइट? तो वी हैव टू सी कि x के साथ अगर हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो जो नंबर फॉर्म होगा उसका डिजिट सम शुड बी 3. आर यू गेटिंग? 3 इज नॉट द नंबर हियर बट इट इज द डिजिट सम. इसलिए हमें ऑप्शन में से ऐसा आंसर ढूंढना है जिसको हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो जो आंसर आएगा उसका डिजिट सम 3 होगा. Yeah, 1 2. So when we will get 1 2 answer when we multiply 2 by 6.
6.
Right? So if we replace x by option A, the answer will be 1 2. That means digit sum will be 3. That's why our answer is option A. So this is how we use digit sum concept. Second example. Now again we have to replace here the number. So take the digit sums of each number. X into 9, 3 का digit sum है 3. Replace and get the equation. So you can see 7 minus 7 is 0. So multiplication will be either 0 or 9. तो हमें वो नंबर ढूंढना है जिसको 3 के बाद मल्टीप्लाई करके विल गेट इधर 0 और 9. अगेन डिजिट सम, हाँ डिजिट सम, नंबर का डिजिट सम, राइट? सो वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी नंबर विच कैन बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3, देन द आंसर्स डिजिट सम विल बी 9. नंबर को क्वेश्चन मार्क के जगह रखेंगे हम एंड वी विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विथ 3 एंड देन आंसर शुड बी डिजिट सम ऑफ 9. Now whenever you get question like this जहाँ पे आपको डिवीजन है, पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में डिवीजन में अननोन फिगर थी, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. अब यहाँ पे नोन फिगर है, इट इज 23. सो मेक श्योर दैट व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग डिजिट सम यू आर मेकिंग दिस डिनोमिनेटर एज 1. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी द डिजिट सम ऑफ ऑल. Mahika is saying 2. 2 for what, Mahika? Acha, 222. Okay. No, 222 into 3, how much we will get? 666. So that sum, yeah, it is summing up to 9, right? So it should be 222. In above problem, the sum will be, it will be 222. Yeah, my circle can be wrong. Thanks Mahika for correcting me. Okay, this above problem I am talking about, this will be 222. Because 2 plus 2 plus 2 6, 6 into 3 18, so 1 and 9 we are getting, I mean 1 and 8 we are getting the sum as 9. So it is satisfying the condition, so it will be 222. Okay, coming back to problem number 3, 289, 279, 374, 364. So first we will see the digit sum of all, we replace all the numbers with digit sum. Okay, अब यहाँ पे 6/5 आया है and we don't want any decimal in digit sum calculation. Okay, so we have to make this denominator as 1. How will you make this denominator 1? We are talking about digit sum. तो आपको उसको 1 करने के लिए 5 को ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा जिसका आंसर का डिजिट सम भी 1 आए. आर यू गेटिंग? 6/5 है,
one, ma'am, if we will multiply 5 by 2, ma'am,
Yes. So it
then
is,
will be 10.
yes. So digit sum will be 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Now ratio is 6 upon 5. So if we are multiplying by 2 to denominator, you will also have to multiply to numerator as well,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So यहाँ पे digit sum आएगा 1, but यहाँ पे digit sum आएगा 3,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So that's what I have shown. 6 को भी हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 5 इंटू 6 30, सो उसका डिजिट सम है 3. 6 इंटू 2 12, 5 इंटू 2 10, तो डिजिट सम 1 होगा, तो डिनोमिनेटर गया है. एंड देन वी विल हैव द इजी सॉल्यूशन फॉर इट. सो नाउ x इज इक्वल टू 1, दैट मीन्स हमें ऐसा ऑप्शन ढूंढना है जिसका डिजिट सम 1 है ना. 0 इज इक्वल टू x माइनस 1, सो x इज इक्वल टू 1. दैट मीन्स x की जगह ऐसा नंबर है जिसका डिजिट सम 1 है. तो आपको ऑप्शंस में से वो ढूंढना है जिसका डिजिट सम 1 आता है. सो ऑप्शन ए अगर हम देखें 2 + 8 10, जिसका डिजिट सम है 1, देन 9 इज डिस्कार्डेड ऑलरेडी. 2 7 9, दिस इज डिस्कार्डेड बी. सो ए इज सेटिस्फाइंग दी कंडीशन. 7 + 3 ऑप्शन सी 1 5, डिजिट सम इज 5, एंड फॉर डी इट इज 4. So only option 1 is satisfying that digit sum of the number is 1. So we can have the answer as 289.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone is having any doubt, you can ask me, because this is how we are going to learn.
Ma'am, in any divide we have to solve like that.
Yes.
We have
Denominator आपको 1 करना है. पहले वाले एग्जाम्पल में अपने को डिनोमिनेटर में अननोन फिगर थी, सो वी हैड टू फाइंड आउट दैट. सो उसमें वो दिक्कत नहीं आई. ओके, जतिन इज सेइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल एक्सप्लेन. सो आई विल राइट इट ऑन द बोर्ड, द एग्जाम्पल. ये एग्जाम्पल है. ओके, अब हम डिजिट सम से रिप्लेस करेंगे हर एक आंसर को, हर एक नंबर को. 1 + 4 5, 1 + 5 6, माइनस 4 + 8 12, 1 + 2 3, 3 + 3 6, अपॉन 2 + 3 5, 1 + 0 + 0 1. ओके, यहाँ तक समझा सबको? वी हैव रिप्लेस नंबर्स विद डिजिट सम. सो 5 इंटू 6 30, उसका डिजिट सम है 3, माइनस, एज आई सेड वी हैव टू मेक डिनोमिनेटर 1, डिनोमिनेटर डिजिट सम एज 1. अब यहाँ पे 5 है, तो 5 को हमें ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा जिस नंबर का रिजल्टेंट नंबर का डिजिट सम 1 आए. तो 5 के टेबल में वी गेट 10, जिसका डिजिट सम 1 आता है. सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 6 अपॉन 5 बाय 2. So 5 into 2 10, so digit sum आया 1, तो denominator will be discarded, right? So हम fraction का value नहीं change कर सकते. So denominator को हम जिससे multiply करेंगे, numerator को भी उसी से multiply करना पड़ेगा, right? So ये 3 minus, अब 5 into 2 10, उसका digit sum है 1, तो we will not write denominator. 6 into 2 12, उसका digit sum है 3. इज इक्वल टू वॉट -1. सो ये आ गया 0. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे ऐसा नंबर आना चाहिए जिसका डिजिट सम 1 हो. और अपने पास जो ऑप्शंस है उसमें से हु इज सेटिस्फाइंग दैट कंडीशन, कौन से नंबर का डिजिट सम 1 आता है. सो दैट मीन्स ऑप्शन 1 जो है 2 8 9, जिसमें डिजिट सम 9, तो ऑलरेडी वी विल नॉट कंसिडर फॉर आवर कैलकुलेशंस. So 2 and 8 are remaining, which is summing up to 10. So digit sum is 1. Even if you consider 9, it will again sum up to 10. So उसका digit sum 1 आएगा. Right? That's why option A. Got it, Jatin? फिर आता है लास्ट डिजिट एंड लास्ट 2 डिजिट कॉन्सेप्ट. अब अगर आप ऑप्शंस में देखोगे तो you have all the options having digit sum equal. सारे ऑप्शंस में बस नंबर्स इधर से उधर हुए हैं, बट सारे ऑप्शंस में नंबर सेम यूज हुए हैं. So in such cases, by looking at the options, you can make out whether you can use digit sum concept or last digit concept or last 2 digit concept. यहाँ पे भी दो ऑप्शंस के लास्ट डिजिट भी सेम है. सो वी विल सी विच इज सेटिस्फाइंग अवर रिक्वायरमेंट. सो डिजिट सम वी कैनॉट यूज, क्योंकि अभी हमें अगर डिजिट सम मिला भी तो भी चारों ऑप्शन का डिजिट सम सेम ही है. तो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू मेक आउट विच ऑप्शन इज हैविंग द एग्जैक्ट आंसर, राइट. So we will go for the last digit concept, जहाँ पे number is replaced with only its last digit. पहले हमने digit sum से replace किया था. Now here number is getting replaced with only last digit. So just replace numbers with last digit. 85793 का last digit है 3. Unknown number का I have considered x plus 151 का 1 and last number का 7. So only last digit से हम numbers को replace करेंगे and we will solve it to get the last digit of the number. Now we can say we are getting the last digit as 7 and thankfully option एक ही है जिसका last digit 7 है, वो है option A. So that way we can have the answer. अगर यहाँ पे last digit 4 आता तो वहाँ पे दो options है जहाँ पे last digit 4 है. So we have to go for the last 2 digit concept जहाँ पे last 2 digit numbers को replace करते हैं. That we will see further.
Then we have to add them. जैसे मैम 9 और 3 are the last digit. Then 9 plus 3 11. Then 1.
No 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 no. Last digit and last 2 digit में आप digit sum को नहीं ला सकते. So 9-3 अगर आपका last 2 digit आया तो 9-3 वाला ही कोई ऑप्शन होगा जो आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि जिसका last 2 digits 9-3 है. या तो you use digit sum concept या use last digit and last 2 digit concept. साथ में नहीं यूज होंगे.
Ma'am, if we are going to use last 2 digit concept, then how we can solve this?
That I will show you. First to understand this last digit concept. So we will see more.
Hello, ma'am.
You did not understand.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि मैम यहाँ पे x का -3 आना चाहिए 7 ना तो
That okay, I will explain. Yes, good, you pointed it out. 4 minus x is equal to 7 है. So कायदे से x is equal to -3 आना चाहिए, right? But it is a last digit and last digit cannot be negative. So what do we do whenever we are getting such negative answers? Instead of 4, you have to add, carry over करके उसको 14 बनाना है आपको. And then you will solve. Okay, so whenever you are having a digit less than this number here, so you just add 10 to it. If it is 10 digits and यहाँ पे भी 10s है तो यहाँ पे आएगा hundreds, right? Suppose ये ऐसा है तो यहाँ पे और एक ऐड करोगे आप. This is how you will get there, but इतना difficulty level आएगा नहीं आपको. So it will be till single or 2 digits only. So this is how, अगर 4 है तो you will make it 14. You have to add 10 to it. Then you will be able to get the answer. Good, you pointed out. ठीक है? So have you understood now? Okay. Okay. Right. So this is the last digit one. Another example for last digit. Now you can see from the options, सबके last digit same है, सबके last digit 9 है, तो we will go for the last 2 digit things. So last digit हम पहले करेंगे, I'll just show you, it will come to 0 or 9. So we will have to go for the last 2 digit. अब यहाँ पे भी again 2 को हमने 12 बनाया तभी x की वैल्यू 9 आई, अदरवाइज x की वैल्यू -1 आती. ठीक है? So x is equal to 9, which is as equal to 0. So all options are having last digit as 9. So now last 2 digit concept will come into picture जहाँ पे number will get replaced by last 2 digits. So 21, 41, 42, 20 and 03. So after solving all these three, you will get the x value as 39. And you can see in options, one option is having last 2 digits as 39. So you can have that as an answer. Okay?
And please paper for explain that
हमने नंबर को सिर्फ लास्ट 2 डिजिट से रिप्लेस किया है। जो फर्स्ट नंबर है 4321, उसके लास्ट 2 डिजिट से 21, 9241 के लास्ट 2 डिजिट से 41, 5642 के लास्ट 2 डिजिट से 42, 3220 के लास्ट 2 डिजिट से 20 एंड 1203 के 03। नाउ वी हैव सॉल्व्ड इट रेगुलर इक्वेशन। सो 21 प्लस 42 प्लस 20, जो पहले पॉजिटिव है उसको ऐड करेंगे हम, राइट, माइनस 41, तो आंसर आता है 42 इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 3। नाउ 3 coming to that side will become x is equal to 39.
Yes, ma'am.
So 39 is the last 2 digit of the answer. So यहाँ पे हम digit sum नहीं ला सकते. We cannot do 9 plus 3 and then see who is summing up to 3. That is not the concept here. Last 2 digit and last digit में सिर्फ हम digits देखते हैं, वहाँ पे digit sum नहीं आता. So first of all, you can solve this example with the help of digit sum as well. क्योंकि you can see, are they summing equally? No. First का 3 है, दूसरे का है 5 and 2. So 3, 5 and 2 ऐसे digit sums आ रहे हैं आपको, तो you can go for digit sum as well. But since वो concept बताना था, I have solved it with last digit and last 2 digit.
Yes, ma'am.
So first you go for digit sum only. अगर ऑप्शंस में एक से ज़्यादा नंबर का डिजिट सम सेम है, देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर लास्ट डिजिट और लास्ट 2 डिजिट. और डिजिट सम तो यू कैन ओरली फटाक से यू कैन डू इट. सो दिस एग्जाम्पल आई विल शो यू विद ऑल द 3 मेथड्स, बट फर्स्ट यू ट्राई एंड लेट मी नो व्हाट इज द आंसर. You try your own and let me know the answer. This can be solved with all the 3 methods. Again, last digit is same for 3 options, so better not to go for that. So first you go for last digit sum is also same for 2 options. So you have to use any 2 methods here, I think. क्योंकि दो options है जो same है.
Ma'am, answer A.
Okay, Bhavya is getting A.
Ma'am, A.
Okay, Niharika also got A. Alright, let's check it out. I'll show you the solution. First digit sum I have used.
Ma'am, x equals to 3. Ma'am, by digit sum.
So digit sum से 3 आ रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So किसका 3 आ रहा है? Option 10 plus 4, 14, 5, 10, 1, 7. A and B का तो 3 आएगा क्योंकि सेम ही है वो. Then 10, 14, 5, 10, 7, 8, 9. C का 0 आ रहा है, 0 और 9. And 10, 14, 10, 7. Okay, so we have 2 options here which are whose digit sum is 3, option A and B, right?
Yes.
Then we will go for the another concept, क्योंकि last digit तो दोनों का same है, तो last digit हम use भी करें तो भी last digit 1 आएगा, फिर भी we have to go for the last 2 digit. तो directly we will go for the last 2 digit concept, 11 into 21 into 11. So even if you use last digit sum, आपको ये भी देखना है कि चारों options का digit sum कहीं same तो नहीं आ रहा है, क्योंकि then you may end up in giving the wrong answer, right? अब यहाँ पे 11 into 11 square we know 121, उसके भी last 2 digits ही सिर्फ consider करने हैं, okay? Then 21 का square you know 441, उसके भी last 2 digits, तो 41 will be the last 2 digits of our answer. That's why option A, which is right.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So even if you are getting with the help of digit sum में आप देख सकते हो A and B के digits same है, सिर्फ यहाँ वहाँ हुए हैं, तो उनका digit sum भी same रहेगा. So in case you are getting digit sum same for more than one option, you have to go for the last digit or last 2 digit concept.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this, you want to give a try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try it out. Okay, which method you used?
Ma'am, digit sum.
Okay, Niharika has got C. Let's check it out. First we'll go for digit sum. So digit sum we are getting 5. Now we have to see which option is having 5. More than one option है तो we have to go for the different method. First का है 4, next का है 4, then 5 and then 7. Okay, yes. So it is satisfying option 3. I have shown you again the all the 3 methods here. Last digit. So I have to replace, we have to see the last digit is 7, which is again satisfying our answer. Last 2 digits, it is also satisfying the answer. So our answer is option C. Everybody got? Okay. Any difficulties? So let me know. So just try to solve these more practice problems. Then we will see what answers you are getting.
Ma'am, sum is 5.
Okay. Sum is 5, so what is the answer? No option is having sum 5. Just cross check. Last digit and last 2 digit you should not use. Matlab, you can use because last digit is same for all. So you can go for digit sum, and if digit sum is not equal, 8. What is the digit sum of 5, 8, 3, 2, 1? First number. How can it be 2? 1, exactly. 8 plus 1 discard karo because it is summing up to 9. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So 1 plus 0, 1. Answer C, Simran is saying. Second number का digit sum क्या है? 9 discard करो. 5. Okay, Pooja is getting answer B. Different people, different answers. First of all, zero in on what? Okay, Niharika is getting D. Okay, A ही बचा, अब A ही बोल दो कोई. I am getting all the options as answers. Okay, 5, 8, 3, 2, 1 का digit sum है 1. 6, 9, 3, 8, 6 का digit sum कितना है? 5.
5.
Right? So 5 plus 1, 6. अब 3, 7, 0, 9, 8 का कितना है?
9.
That means 0. So number का digit sum should be 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Which number is having 6 as digit sum?
D.
Option D. Oh sorry, I think 6. Option B and D both are having 6. So go for the last 2 digit now. So you have to use 2 concepts here. 6 वाले 2 options है. 90609 is also having 6. D is also having 6. So D and B में से कौन सा? So go for last 2 digit. So 21 plus 86 is equal to 98 plus X. So 107 minus 98 करो, कितना आता है? 09. That means last 2 digits will be 09. That's why option B. Got Kritika? No, who gave answer D? I think Niharika. सबको आ रहा है. So do not depend on only digit sum. आपको सारे options के देखने हैं. 2 options के digit sum same है तो go for the another concept of last digit और last 2 digit.
मैम लास्ट 2 डिजिट में भी दोनों सेम है ना मैम, B और C.
नहीं, बट वही तो digit sum से तो हमें C डिस्कार्ड हो गया ना. तो आप कोई भी एक कॉन्सेप्ट से जाओगे तो यू विल एंड अप इन रॉन्ग आंसर. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. लास्ट 2 डिजिट में भी 2 ऑप्शंस है. लास्ट डिजिट से तो सारे ऑप्शन वैलिड है. डिजिट सम से 2 ऑप्शंस वैलिड है. तो डिजिट सम एंड लास्ट 2 डिजिट में से कोई एक ऑप्शन ही वैलिड आ रहा है ना. सो दैट इज आवर फाइनल आंसर. लास्ट डिजिट इज सेम. लास्ट 2 डिजिट भी दोनों का सेम है. डिजिट सम देखते किसका क्या आ रहा है. सो यहाँ पे डिजिट सम में ही आंसर आ जाएगा क्योंकि सबके डिजिट सम अलग है.
डिजिट सम 0 आ रहा है.
ओके, सो जीरो किसका आ रहा है? दो ऑप्शंस का जीरो आ रहा है. सो गो फॉर लास्ट 2 डिजिट.
मैम आंसर सी.
Okay. Any other answers?
नो मैम इट्स करेक्ट.
Yes. Good. Finally, you people are getting right answers. Simran, right. C. Yes. This I have already taken similar. So just try to find it out again. You have to make denominator 1. Digit sum 1. Pooja, yes, you are right. Option C.
मैम ए. मैम 289 ए.
Yes, correct. This we have already solved. Then you can see last digit is same for all, so do not go for that. You have to go for the last 2 digit and digit sum. अगर digit sum अलग अलग है तो no problem. Digit sums are different, so you can go for digit sum. Yes, correct. So digit sum से you can get the digit sum as 6. Now you can see last digit is also same, last 2 digits are also same. So digit sum is the only concept you can use here. Go for BODMAS rule. Into पहले करना है, minus बाद में. Otherwise you will end up in wrong answer.
मैम ए.
Okay, Simran has also got A. Let's check out. Correct. Everybody got answer A. Take your time, but the more you do practice, the lesser you will take time, right? So this is how we solve the arithmetic operations based on the digit sum concept. So I hope, yeah, Mahika, you are right. It's A, option A. So this is what all about digit sum we have seen today. So I hope you are learning something new out of these sessions, and you are going to use it while you are going to attempt aptitude, because lot of aptitude test include such kind of problems. Now yesterday we have seen how to do multiplication of 2 by 2 digits, right? So 11 का भी पूछा था कि बड़ा नंबर हो तो क्या करना है. So the same concept 11 के लिए भी है जो हमने 2 digits के लिए कल देखा था, like 22 if we want to multiply by 11, right? What we do, we replace the numbers, keep the gap in between, add the numbers and write the answer. So if you have any bigger number, you are supposed to multiply it by 11, write the unit digit as it is, first digit as it is, then you keep on adding each of the digits with themselves. Like 5 plus 2, 7, write it down. 5 plus 4, 9, write it down. 4 plus 3, 7. So this will be your answer. No, wait, you have to write here 3 only, right? 7 and 3. Okay, so you can cross check with the help of calculator. You will get the same answer. So what did I do? First and last digit we are keeping as it is. बीच का सारे digits आपस में add होने चाहिए. 2 plus 5 7, 5 plus 4 9, 4 plus 3 7 and 3 as it is. So if you have bigger number which are having summation with carryovers like 8, 9, 7, 6, 5, you have to multiply by 11. Then what do you do? First number as it is, last number as it is. Then we will multiply, we will add 6 plus 5 11, उसका 1 लिखेंगे, कैरी ओवर यहाँ पे आएगा. 7 plus 6 13 plus 1 14, carry over. 9 plus 7 16, 17, carry over. 9 प्लस 8 17, 18 कैरी ओवर ये 8 पे आएगा जो अब 9 बनेगा. So this is how you multiply any number by 11. So thank you so much. Be consistent in the class because this concept I am not going to repeat again. So be there. Thank you so much and keep practicing. That is more important.